this race, that's what we still have about a dozen people or so lagging behind. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Somebody take a picture of Teresa right before she falls in the water.
I know, right?
There, running video just to send you. Huh?
Are those 7 waterproof? Okay.
Oh, okay.
Jumping spots out there.
That's how much it is.
All right, just want to get a picture of you girls enjoying the great outdoors. Yeah.
She can't do tequila, so. Oh, vodka, yeah, she's a vodka person. She's vodka. What type of drink is it? What's it say?
It means alcohol.
Yeah, but which type of drink is it?
You know what? I can tell you.
Strawberry probably. Oh, watermelon. Yeah, so it's probably vodka.
But squatting and hovering? That's like a whole, like, separate thing.
Always make sure that you're up.
Downhill? Yes. But I did. I conquered. I did something that I've never done. You have to make sure that you put your feet hard enough. I still want to see it.
Go ahead.
I'm jumping. Go ahead. Jump with me. I'm jumping. Nope, I do not.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Go.
1, 2, 3, pineapple. You ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, pineapple.
Going the wrong way, Lan.
Taking the long way.
There you go.